Your mind goes blank. You know that feeling well. You studied for many hours. You answered every practice question. Then someone speaks. Your mind goes blank. Your heart beats faster. Your hands feel cold. Every word disappears. This happens at work. This happens in interviews. This happens at college. This happens with friends. You feel embarrassed. You feel left behind. You think you forgot everything. But that's not true. You already know more English than you think. Your mind goes blank. That feels like failure. It isn't failure. Your brain is doing something else. You already know more English than you think. Your brain is searching slowly. Your brain is checking every word. That takes precious time. The moment feels gone. Your mind goes blank. You already know more English than you think. The problem isn't missing words. The problem is finding them quickly. That changes everything. Your mind goes blank, but the truth is different. So if you already know the words, why can't your brain find them? Maybe you blamed yourself for years. Maybe you thought you weren't smart enough. Maybe you believed others had special talent. But that isn't your story. Your brain learned the wrong habit. You were taught to pass exams. You were taught to remember answers. You were taught to wait before speaking. Your brain followed every lesson. Your brain learned the wrong habit. Nobody showed you another way. Every new word became another thing to translate. Every sentence became another puzzle. That works for tests. It doesn't help real talks. Speaking is a skill, not a test. Real talks don't wait. Real people keep speaking. Your brain tries to build perfect answers. That takes too long. Then the moment is gone. You think you failed again, but you didn't fail. Your brain learned the wrong habit, that's all. Speaking is a skill, not a test. A child doesn't stop playing after mistakes. They keep trying. Slowly, the habit grows. Your brain can grow that habit too. Speaking is a skill, not a test. You don't need a different brain. You need different practice. Your brain learned the wrong habit. Habits can change. Small steps change habits. Daily practice changes habits. You already proved your brain can learn. Now it can learn a better way. Speaking is a skill, not a test. That hope is real. Your next step can be different. Your future doesn't have to look like your past. For years, you believed one big story. You believed fluent people translated faster. That sounds true, but it isn't true. They don't race through translation. They stop translating. Stop translating. That changes everything. Your brain has one job now. Think first, speak next. When you translate, your brain works twice. First, it builds the idea. Then it changes every word. That takes time. The moment slips away. Think first, speak next. Fluent speakers skip that second job. They connect ideas with English. They don't carry every thought across another language. Stop translating. That simple change feels small, yet everything starts changing. You stop chasing perfect words. You start sharing real ideas. Think first, speak next. That is why speaking feels easier. It isn't magic. It isn't special talent. It is a different habit. Stop translating. Most schools never teach this. They teach memory first. Your brain needed direct practice instead. Think first, speak next. Now you know the hidden truth. You were fixing the wrong problem. You don't need faster translation, you need less translation. Stop translating. If this really works, has anyone like you actually done it? Reena was 24 years old and worked as a quality assistant in a garment factory in Bangladesh. She studied English for years. She finished lessons. She filled notebooks. She bought more grammar books. Still, every time foreign buyers visited the factory, her voice disappeared. Her heart raced. She smiled quietly. She looked down. Someone else answered. She went home feeling defeated. She believed she needed another book. She believed harder study would save her. Then one friend shared one simple idea. Small practice every day. One thought at a time. Reena stopped chasing perfect answers. Every morning she looked around her room. She named the chair. She described her bag. She talked about her tea. She used easy words. She never translated. Small practice every day. One thought at a time. At first everything felt slow. Many days felt strange. Some days she forgot simple words. Still, she returned the next day. Small practice every day. One thought at a time. Weeks passed. Then months passed. One morning, something surprised her. A word arrived before fear. Another sentence followed. She answered herself without stopping. She smiled because nothing felt forced. Later, another buyer asked one easy question. Reena answered with calm words. The answer was short. The answer was clear. Panic stayed away. She still made mistakes. She kept speaking anyway. Small practice every day. One thought at a time. She noticed that every small win gave her more courage. English stopped feeling like an exam. It became part of her day. She spoke inside her mind while walking, cooking, and waiting. She trusted the process. Small practice every day. One thought at a time. Soon, simple talks felt possible. That quiet change opened bigger doors ahead. She finally believed she could keep growing every single day from there onward. She stopped studying harder. She started training differently. That changed her more than every old book. Her confidence grew slowly. Her voice grew stronger too. What exactly did Reena change? Most people chase perfect sentences. That feels like the right path. Yet it makes speaking harder. Your brain keeps waiting. Your brain keeps checking. The words never feel ready. Try something smaller instead. Simple is powerful. One thought at a time. Look around your day. See your cup. Think. Coffee is hot. Watch the road. Think. The bus is late. Sit quietly. Think. The room is quiet. These thoughts look tiny. They may even feel silly. They are not silly. They are building something new. Simple is powerful. One thought at a time. Your brain stops carrying heavy ideas. Your brain learns small ideas first. Small ideas move faster. Small ideas feel natural. Soon, another thought appears. Then another follows. You are not forcing them anymore. Simple is powerful. One thought at a time. Many learners believe longer sentences show real progress. They keep waiting for perfect English. Then they say nothing. That silence grows bigger every day. You don't need perfect English today. You need one clear thought today. Tomorrow, you build another. Then another. That is how strong habits grow. Simple is powerful. One thought at a time. Every small thought teaches your brain one direct path. It doesn't stop to translate. It doesn't search for perfect words. It simply shares one idea. That quiet habit grows stronger every day. One day you notice something new. Your thoughts arrive before fear. Your words arrive with less effort. You smile because speaking feels lighter. It all started with small thoughts. It all started because simple became your friend. Simple is powerful. One thought at a time. Keep trusting those tiny moments. They are changing you, even when progress feels slow. Simple becomes strong. Now your thoughts are getting smaller. That is a good start. The next step is gentle. Stop carrying every idea across another language. See it in English. Connect, don't translate. Look outside your window. Rain begins to fall. Don't pause first. Don't search inside your old language. Just think. It's raining. See it in English. Connect. Don't translate. Pick up your keys. Think. I have my keys. Feel the warm sun. Think. Today is warm. Watch a child smile. Think. She looks happy. These are small moments, yet they change your brain. See it in English. Connect. Don't translate. Children learn this way. They don't stop and change every thought. They see life. They hear words. Soon both become one. Your brain can learn that habit too. It doesn't matter if your words stay simple. Simple is enough today. The goal isn't fancy English. The goal is direct English. See it in English. Connect. Don't translate. Every picture becomes a chance. Every sound becomes practice. Every feeling becomes one more English thought. Soon your brain stops building a bridge first. It walks straight to English instead. That path grows stronger every day. You don't notice every change. Then one morning you answer before fear arrives. The words feel closer. They feel ready. You smile because your brain feels lighter. See it in English. Connect. Don't translate. Keep trusting these quiet moments. They are shaping every future conversation. They are building real speaking, one simple thought at a time. What happens if you do this every day? You don't need endless study anymore. You need one steady habit. Train your brain. Every day matters. Give yourself 5 quiet minutes first. Look around your room. Notice simple things. Think about each one in English. Keep every thought short. Keep every thought clear. Train your brain. Every day matters. Next, spend 5 minutes speaking aloud. Talk about your cup. Talk about your shoes. Talk about your day. Don't worry about mistakes. Keep your voice moving. Keep your ideas simple. Train your brain. Every day matters. Then spend 5 minutes describing tomorrow. Say where you'll go. Say what you'll eat. Say who you'll meet. Picture tomorrow while speaking English. Your brain starts linking real life with English. That link grows stronger daily. Many people study for hours once each week. That feels like hard work. It also feels slow. Your brain forgets between long breaks. Short daily practice keeps the path alive. Train your brain. Every day matters. 15 minutes each day can change more than 3 long hours every week. Small steps stay with you. Small habits become strong habits. You don't need perfect days. You only need today's practice. If one session feels difficult, return tomorrow. That is enough. Train your brain. Every day matters. Your confidence won't appear overnight. It will grow quietly. 1 thought becomes 2. 2 thoughts become easy conversations. One day you will notice the change. Speaking will feel lighter because your brain remembers the path. Keep showing up. Keep trusting the process. Train your brain. Every day matters. Now imagine doing this for 6 months. Time keeps moving every day. It never waits for anyone. 6 months will pass. That is true for everyone. The real question is different. What will those months give you? Many people keep searching forever. They look for one perfect book. They look for one perfect lesson. They wait until they feel ready. That feeling rarely comes first. Confidence grows after practice. It doesn't arrive before practice. 6 months will pass. Start today. Give your brain one new habit. Keep your thoughts simple. Keep your practice steady. Some days will feel easy. Some days will feel slow. Both days still matter. Every small session teaches your brain something new. Waiting teaches nothing. 6 months will pass. Start today. You don't need perfect results this week. You only need one honest step today. Then take another tomorrow. Soon those small steps become your normal life. One day you will answer without fear. One day you will smile after speaking. That moment begins with today's choice. 6 months will pass. Start today. Let your future thank the person you are right now. You already know where waiting leads. Now choose the path that quietly builds confidence every single day. Now picture the person you could become. Picture one quiet morning. You walk into work smiling. A foreign customer greets you kindly. Before, your heart raced. Before, fear arrived first. Today feels different. Your brain remembers. It feels natural. You answer one simple question, then another follows. The words come gently. They don't feel forced. Your brain remembers. It feels natural. You finish the short talk, then something surprises you. You never stopped to translate. You simply shared your thoughts. You smile to yourself. Nobody else sees that moment. Yet you know everything changed. Your brain remembers. It feels natural. Later, you speak with more people. Each small talk feels easier. Each new day feels lighter. Your family notices something new. They hear more confidence. They see more calm. They see you smiling more often. You don't become perfect overnight. You become comfortable instead. That quiet change reaches every part of life. Your brain remembers. It feels natural. You trust your voice again. You stop fearing every conversation. You start enjoying simple moments. That is the change you wanted all along. It begins with small habits. It grows with steady practice. Your brain remembers. It feels natural. Keep walking this path. Keep believing in each small step. You are closer than you think. You are closer than you think. Don't promise yourself a perfect future. Don't wait for perfect confidence. Start imperfectly. 5 minutes today. That is enough. Look around your room. Pick one simple object. Describe it with easy English. Smile if you make mistakes. Keep going anyway. Start imperfectly. 5 minutes today. Tomorrow, do the same again. Small actions grow into strong habits. Big promises often disappear. Your next step doesn't need courage first. Courage grows after you begin. Start imperfectly. 5 minutes today. I'd love to hear your first sentence. Write one object in the comments. Keep it simple, keep it real. Every comment is one more step forward. Someone else may read your words. They may feel brave because of you. Start imperfectly. 5 minutes today. You don't need motivation every day. You only need one small beginning. That beginning can happen right now. Before we finish, say this with me. Take one quiet breath. Smile at yourself. You made it here today. That already matters. You are not alone anymore. We are walking together. I keep going. I can do this. Maybe your words feel small today. Small words still move you forward. Every learner starts somewhere. Every strong voice starts softly. I keep going. I can do this. Don't chase perfect English anymore. Chase one honest step each day. Trust your growing habit. Trust your patient heart. Keep showing up. Keep believing. I keep going. I can do this. One day you will hear your own voice. It will sound calm. It will sound free. That day begins today. Keep practicing. Keep smiling. Keep going. I keep going. I can do this.